Welcome to our channel. If you want to quit smoking for good and improve your health, follow these step-by-step strategies. Step 1. Set a specific quit date within the next 2 weeks and mark it on your calendar to give yourself time to prepare mentally. Step 2. Identify your smoking triggers like stress, coffee, or social situations and develop alternative coping strategies for each one. Step 3. Tell your family, friends, and coworkers about your quit date and ask for their support and encouragement throughout your journey. Step 4. Remove all cigarettes, lighters, and ashtrays from your home, car, and workplace to eliminate easy access to smoking. Step 5. Consider nicotine replacement therapy like patches, gum, or lozenges, or talk to your doctor about prescription medications to ease withdrawal symptoms. Step 6. Keep your hands and mouth busy with healthy alternatives like sugar-free gum, carrot sticks, or stress balls when cravings hit. Step 7. Exercise regularly to reduce cravings, manage stress, and improve your mood during the quitting process. Step 8. Join a support group or use a quit smoking app to connect with others, track progress, and get motivation during difficult moments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.